Today's video, we're going to show you how to make chicken jerky for your dog. I know it's a lot more convenient to go to the grocery store and buy store-bought treats, but it's so much fun to make treats at home for your pet. They're healthier, they taste better, and your dogs know when you're making something especially for them. Fun fact, did you know that over 65 million households own at least one dog? So with all these households owning dogs, why don't you go ahead and try to make some jerky treats for yourself? And that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you how to make jerky treats. So these are the things that you're going to need when you make your treats. I use ground chicken if I'm making chicken jerky. So I use ground chicken breast. I use carrot puree. And actually, those are the two ingredients, the only two ingredients that I use when I'm making jerky. And that's why I suggested that you make it yourself, because if you're going to buy treats from the store, you really don't know what's in them. But when you're making them yourself, you know exactly what's in your treat. You've got the chicken, pure chicken breast, and you've got the carrot puree, and that is it. You're also going to need a jerky gun. Now, these are relatively inexpensive, and I purchased mine off of Amazon. Now, the reason that I have a jerky gun in all of this is, full disclosure, I do have a pet treat business, and so I'm typically making all types of treats all the time. So this is something that was a lot more convenient for me to use rather than just making a ground jerky and then slicing them. It's just easier for me to use the jerky gun. I also use the round tube because they just come out a lot nicer when they're round. They have a lot more uniform shape when they come out round rather than coming out flat as some of the other holders are. And then I also have my spatulas, so I'm gonna clean out the box here and clean out the residue from the turkey jerky, from the, from the carrot puree. Yeah. And then, of course, I will be mixing this. I used to do this by hand, but I had been doing it so long, I just got tired of stirring and stirring and stirring by hand. So I decided to have a mixer. So I put everything in the mixer. And then I have these trays here. And I will be putting the jerky on the trays once it's all mixed up. Now, I have a dehydrator, as I said, because of the business. But you don't have to have a dehydrator to do this. You can use your oven, and it's going to be on for a while. It's probably going to take you 12, 13 hours to do, well, not that long. It's probably going to take you 3 or 4 hours to do the jerky in the oven. My hydrator is low temperature, and so I do my jerkies for about 12 hours or so. So let's get started.